Long ago, many thought Earth was flat. The ground looked flat to them. They had no planes or spaceships. It was a simple idea for early times. What you see is what you believe. This was common in ancient cultures. It made sense with limited observation. They could not see Earth's true shape. This flat idea was mostly left behind. Ancient Greeks found evidence for a round Earth. Yet today, some still say Earth is flat. This belief spreads online. Social media helps it reach many people quickly. It is a surprising return to an old notion, a notion disproven by careful thought and by simple observation. Modern flat Earth belief is not new science. It is an old idea, disproven long ago. It often comes from distrust. Distrust of experts or official sources, or a misunderstanding of basic science. It feels like a hidden truth to some. But science seeks truth through evidence, not through feelings or suspicion. But Earth's roundness is a solid fact. It was known for thousands of years. We have so much proof. The evidence is everywhere around us, and it has been for a very long time. Let us explore this proof together. Understanding our world is exciting. Science is our guide on this journey. Ancient Greeks watched ships. Ships sailed out to sea. The bottom of the ship vanished first. Then the mast disappeared last. This meant the ship went over a curve, not just far away. If Earth were flat, the whole ship would shrink. But it sank hull first below the horizon. They also saw Earth's shadow during a lunar eclipse. The shadow on the moon is always round. Always. No matter how Earth turns. Only a sphere makes a round shadow from any angle. A flat disk would sometimes cast an oval shape, or even a thin line. This was strong proof of a spherical Earth. Travelers noticed star changes. Go far north or far south. You see different stars in the sky. The North Star, Polaris, gets lower as you go south. It vanishes if you go very far south. This only happens on a sphere. On a flat plane, Polaris would always be visible, just at different angles. New constellations appear in the southern sky. These are hidden from the north. If Earth were flat, all would see similar stars, maybe from different angles depending on location. But whole star groups change dramatically. This points to a round Earth. The sky itself tells us our planet's shape. Ancient people were clever to notice this. Then came the space age. We built rockets. We launched them high. We sent satellites into orbit around Earth. Satellites have cameras. They take pictures of our Earth. We have countless photos now. All these photos show the same thing. Our planet is a beautiful sphere. Remember the blue marble photo? Apollo 17 astronauts took it in 1972. It showed Earth as a whole ball. Blue oceans, swirling white clouds, floating in the dark emptiness of space. This picture really changed minds. It was very clear proof. No more need to just guess its shape. Hundreds of astronauts have been to space, from many different countries. They all saw Earth's distinct curve. They saw Earth spin slowly. They say it is a stunning, vibrant sphere. Their direct eyewitness accounts are very strong. They saw it themselves, with their own eyes. Their descriptions are consistent and clear. Modern tech also proves Earth is round. Think about GPS. Your phone uses it often. GPS needs many satellites. These satellites orbit a spherical Earth. Their signals travel and help guide us. GPS calculations rely on a round planet. The system would fail if Earth were flat. Our daily technology confirms Earth's shape. Over 2,000 years ago, Eratosthenes did a clever test. He lived in Egypt. He was a librarian and scholar. He heard that in Syene City, to the south, the sun was directly overhead on one special day. So, no shadows from vertical sticks at noon. This observation made him think deeply. He became curious about why this happened. In his city, Alexandria, shadows existed. At that exact same day and time, Eratosthenes measured the shadow's angle. He knew how far Syene was from Alexandria. Using simple geometry and these measurements, he estimated Earth's total circumference. His number was amazingly close to the real value. He measured a sphere, not a flat plane. This experiment showed Earth was curved, and its impressive size could be found. Science works by such observations, and by tests anyone can repeat and verify. The round Earth model explains so much, like why we have seasons and why different places have different time zones. It all fits together on a sphere. It is key to think critically. We must look at all the evidence. Science is how we learn about our universe. It uses facts and careful, repeatable testing. Trusting science helps us understand our world, and it helps us make good decisions. The Earth is, without any doubt, a sphere. Embrace the cosmos as it truly is.